Divorce no longer a rumor, as Haz split on Cali court and Meghan confined him and his kids. The Duchess has lost her case. Recently, Prince Harry and Meghan, the Duchess of Sussex, made a surprise cameo in the tribute video for their longtime friend Elton John, which is airing as a part of Elton's Disney Plus special, Elton John Live, Farewell from Dodger. But Harry's appearance and demeanor have sparked concerns. According to a source, this video is for the commercial purposes. This is their first appearance together after the Californian court had transferred their divorce records to the British royal court. The video ended with a sweet PDA moment between the Sussexes and Meghan that had placed her head on Harry's shoulder as she had blew a kiss to the camera. A giddy Harry was quick to rest his own head on his wife while they both beamed. But it is so badly rehearsed. Meghan's being made to look like a sweet wife. She is still very much in control. She's being a little cute damsel and leaning into Harry like his little cute wife. They've tried to make her look natural, but it is the opposite. She has to look at Harry to let him know if it's his turn to join in. And he looks back at her, etc. They're just such an embarrassment. While even bothered trying to convince us that they are happy, Harry looks washed out, as usual. Noticeably, the royal commentator Molly Mulshine had questioned Harry's appearance, as she had claimed that he had looked tired. Speaking on US Weekly's Royal US, Miss Mulshine had said, "I thought he looked a little out of it in his video." As commentator Christina Garibaldi had added, he did look a little tired. Miss Mulshine continued, his posture was not great, and a little bit of a wrinkled suit. It has been questioned whether the Duke is getting enough kip. In fact, as I mentioned in the previous videos, Prince Harry and his children's diet is under the influence of Meghan, as the tabloids previously reported that Prince Harry hasn't ditched the unhealthier food of his younger years yet. But in recent years, Harry often consumes junk food, including pizzas and wine, because Meghan loves this drink. Meghan Markle had famously wrote about her love of all things food in her former lifestyle blog, The Tig. Meghan has previously shared her love of food like pasta, cheese, and Tignanello wine with her fans. This comes after when the source closer to the royal revealed that Meghan had failed to sue against ex-husband Prince Harry at Californian court. Their divorce proceedings have referred to the UK royal court. Meghan didn't know. By Harry's position as a Councillor of State, he is granted diplomatic immunity. Harry's diplomatic passport means if Meghan begins any divorce proceedings, the US State Department will suspend them, as she cannot divorce Harry in California because he has diplomatic immunity. So if she begins proceedings, then the State Department will step in and suspend the proceedings. And the source claimed that Meghan can only divorce Harry in London, where his diplomatic immunity does not apply. One of the core pillars of a diplomatic immunity is that it protects the person who possesses it from court proceedings, specifically civil court proceedings outside of their country of residence. These are the agreements dating back to ancient times that have been updated throughout the Geneva Convention and are constantly moderated and debated by the UN. Moreover, the royal divorces don't play out in the public courts. They just don't. They are always meditated, with both parties coming to a mutual agreement. There's never been an example of a monarch or one of their immediate family members fighting out a divorce in court and waiting to see what the judge decides. These matters are handled and negotiated privately. Albeit in modern history, we have seen some lack of this discussion, the obvious example being Charles and Diana's divorce. This is where it gets interesting, as Meghan likely already knows this will be used in the media to leverage herself to get into a position that she thinks will deliver her what she wants. She will almost certainly use it as an opportunity to play victim in the ways that will make all of her past public behavior seem demure. I am fascinated to just see how this plays out and how the royal family approaches it. I am sure both sides will be gearing up with the leverage, blackmail, to use against the others to get their way.